ชื่นชม
Hello everyone, are you happy? How are you today? I hope that you're all okay and of course happy and healthy. So last time we talked about environment. So I taught you some vocabulary words about the things or about nature. So this time we will take a look or we will learn more about environment and nature. So let's now begin. So it says here in our PowerPoint, nature around us. One more time. Nature around us. Let's read one more. Nature around us. So it means that what are the nature around us? Last time we already have a idea about what nature could be. So now we will learn more about what is nature. Okay. First is we have here. What can you see in the picture? Okay. The animals there are in the water, under the water, right? So what do you think are they? What is their name? Okay. They are called as sea animals. Because it is sea because it is water, right? Sea is a part of the water, okay? Another term for the water, okay? Sea animals because they live and they can breathe underwater. That's why they are called sea animals. Sea animals. Animals. Let's spell the word S-E-A. Sea. A-N-I. Animals. M-A-L-S. Animals. Animals. Very good. Sea animals. That's it. So that is an example of sea animals. Next is your, what do you think is that? Very good. That is your pets. Pets. We have different kinds of pets and it is up to us what pet do we want to take care or what pet do we like, okay? So usually some people they prefer dog and cat as a pet, okay? So the picture here is an examples of animals that we can take care or that we can be called as pets. So that is a pets. P-E-T-S. Pets. Pets. One more time. Pets with S at the end of the word. Pets. Very good. Next. Of course, this one, we have this everywhere. Everywhere we go, we have this one. We have this nature in an environment. And most of the people like to have this one or to collect this one. So what do you think is that? Very good. That is your flowers. 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 With S because it's more than one. Okay, you can see in the picture we have different flowers. We have different colors of the flowers. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E R S. Flowers. 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 That's it. Next is your, we can see this one in our home or in the park or anywhere. So garden, that is garden. Garden. Garden composed, or as you can observe, garden, it contains of different kinds of flowers and trees. Okay, but usually garden, it really has different flowers. Okay, planted different flowers. Garden. Garden. G-A-R. Gar. D-E-N. Den. Den. Garden. Garden. Very good. Next. This one, it looks like also a garden, but you can see this one near mountains or in the far places. Okay, so we call this one as meadow. 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 Me. Me. D-O-W. Do. Me. Do. Me. Do. That is an example of, the picture here is an example of meadow. Meadow. Very good. Next is your, of course, this one, if you go anywhere, you can see, or you have this one in the surroundings. So this is the green part, this one. That one is called a grass. 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 We should say or sound the letter S at the end of the word. Grass. G-R-A-S. S. Grass. Grass. One more time. Grass. That is the grass. Okay. Next. Okay. What do you think is that? So it is also a water. A body composed of water. Okay. We will go here and then have swimming, or let's take a swim, or that's it. So what do you think is that? That one, or this place, is called beach. 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 B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Going to the beach is very good when the weather is very hot. Okay, so we will go to the beach and swim, swim, swim. So that is a beach. This one is very good when you feel hot and the weather is so very sunny. That is a beach. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Next, if we will go to the beach, of course, to the beach, we have water, right? So if we swim and swim and swim, we can encounter the waves. Waves. So this is what waves looks like if you have in the near part of the water. Okay, waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Waves. One more time. Waves. That's it. Waves. Next, of course, we have sunny season. We have hot weather. Of course, we have rainy season or we have rain. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. 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 Very good. Next, and the last, nature around us. Some countries, they have this one, okay? But some other countries, they only have 2 seasons. They have, forgot the name, okay? But some other countries, they have this season. So, I really want to see this one in person someday, okay? So, this is a snow. Snow. That one, the white dots in the picture or the white figure in the picture, it is called snow. Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. One more time. Snow. That is a snow. So we are able to finish the first part about the nature around us. Let's learn more about it in our next video. Bye!